guys, it's your girl Chocolate Curls, also known as Amari Elisa, and I am coming to you all busted and crusted. But we all know this is a transformation, so by the end of this video my hair is going to look 10 times better. I'm going to be treating, trimming, and twisting my hair. We are in quarantine, so there is no point of me to be styling my hair every other day, and as you can see, I'm not doing that anyway. So I'm just gonna twist my hair and leave it alone, give it a nice protective style to last me until it's time to go back outside. You feel me? Been here, my regulars, what's up guys? I love you. You probably voted for this video on my Instagram poll, and if you're one of my new subscribers, meaning you're gonna click that button right now because you haven't already, go ahead and do it. I'm waiting. I'm gonna jump right into the video. Busted, crusted, dusted, disgusted, rusted. Ooh. So, first things first, I'm going to be using the remainder of my hot oil treatment from Lush. Okay. So like I said, I purchased this hot oil treatment from Lush, and all you have to do is put this in some really hot water and allow that wax or whatever treatment to kind of melt, stir it up with that wooden stick, and then you'll have the hot oil treatment. Today I'm going to be using some of the leftover treatment from when I first did it. This little stick actually gives you a lot of, I don't know how to explain it. It gives you a lot of the hot oil treatment. So I'm going to be reusing what I have and putting it in some hot water using like the double boiler method. I'm going to put my container into hot water versus just pouring more hot water and kind of diluting my treatment. And as always, I'm going to put my hair into 4 sections to do this treatment. I just want you guys to pay close attention to how I don't just rip my hair apart when kind of detangling and sectioning. I take my time and detangle. The amount of time you will need to leave your treatment in the hot water will depend on how hot your water really is. You want it to kind of get to this type of consistency here. And you also want it to be a bit warm to touch. Now watch how I take these super dry matted ends, add this hot oil treatment, and give it some moisture and shine. I promise you this video does not do enough justice because this product is absolutely amazing. This is not an ad. I'm not getting paid for this. This is just me giving y'all the real. This product has so much slip, and if I apply more, my curls will be even more defined. But that's not what's important here. What's most important for me is how soft my hair is from me just applying this onto some dry hair, and also how much shine it's giving my hair. I almost never apply products to my dry hair. Like if you watch my videos, you know I have to hop in the shower and thoroughly wet my hair before applying any products. So if I'm applying this hot oil treatment on my dry hair, then you know that it is something special. I'm also going to do the same thing on the other sections of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and apply this hot oil treatment to my ends first because honestly my ends are my priority here. With treating my hair, I want to take care of the hair that has been here the longest. You know, hair grows out from your scalp, so your ends are your hair that has been through trials and tribulations with you. So when I am treating my hair or deep conditioning my hair, I am focused on my ends. I would suggest starting the product from your ends, and being that it has so much slip, you can honestly just work the product up closer towards your scalp. I went ahead and detangled my hair off camera because that's just a whole separate video. But as you can see, the moisture is there, the shine is there, the curls are there. This product is the bomb. To maximize the benefits of this treatment, I am going to put my hair into a shower cap, and then I'm going to just put another shower cap on top. I plan on leaving this treatment on my hair for about 30 minutes, but knowing me, I'm going to probably do it longer, and then I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out. And this is what my hair looks like after rinsing it out. Like I said, the video doesn't do enough justice because my hair is so soft. It's just unbelievable. And now I am back at it with my 4 sections. I want to kind of be more precise with these parts, being that I'm going to do twists. I want to have my parts a bit more accurate, but other than that, I'm going to jump right into the twisting portion. To twist my hair, I will be using my Haitian hair butter from Nada Skin Food. I'm going to tag them down below. This is a vegan, natural, handmade butter that gives my hair a great amount of moisture and shine, and it has been proven to grow people's edges back, bald spots back, all that great stuff. But I like it for my twist because I don't really have to do much, and this will be the only product I will be using for my twists. I always get compliments on how neat my mini twist looks, so come really close. This is how I do it. To get my mini twist really neat, I do the twist really tight. I kind of twist the hair really tightly, and I also pull down and smooth the hair as I twist. So the key to basically doing my neat twist are just kind of twisting the hair really closely together. Like, you don't want to, I don't know how to say it, like put your two strands, like when you're wrapping it around, wrap close together. Don't leave too much space in between each wrap around with your two strand twists. And boom, a juicy, sexy twist. I'm going to show y'all again. Come close one more time. I wrap so tightly, even at my scalp. You can see I did just about three wraps around before coming off of my scalp. And then I'm going to just continue to just pull down on the hair and wrap super tightly. I've literally only used 2 products on my hair so far, and you can see the shine in my twist. Like, you can see the light reflecting off of my hair because that hot oil treatment and then the hair butter is just giving my hair so much luster and shine. I promised myself I wasn't going to do super tiny twists in my hair, but as you can see, I did that anyway. I'm going to run through this process one more time for you guys. I'm going to take my Haitian hair butter, smooth it in my hands, and then go ahead and rub that onto my hair, thoroughly coating my strands. And then I am going to tightly twist my hair. I'm even pulling up on my scalp a little bit there because my twists are just that tight. That is just the key to getting some super neat twists. And the part you've all been waiting for, snip. I'm going to just go ahead and dust my ends. I'm not doing a real trim because I don't like to trim my hair when it is not fully blow dried or straightened. So I am just dusting my ends, as you can see. I did a full in detail video of how to really trim your ends with like blown out hair, but being that my hair is still in curly form, you would think you're cutting a little bit and it looks like I may be only cutting a little bit of hair, but as we all know, curled hair shrinks, so I'm actually cutting a decent amount of hair off my head. Just a little snip, and try to cut the same amount off of each twist. I cut hair off each twist individually and just snipped a little portion of the ends. Just kind of cut off that dead hair that had some knots. This style in total took about 5 hours, probably more than 5 hours. I am not kidding you. So by the time I got to this twist, I just felt joy, happiness, like relief that I was finally done with my mini twist. And this is basically the final look. Lastly, I'm going to be applying my Nourishing Hair Growth Oil from Glow Grow Co. I'm going to be applying this oil to my scalp, and then I'm going to be kind of massaging this oil into my scalp afterwards. Normally when I do my protective styles like mini twists, I like to also oil my scalp. I just find it like perfect timing to kind of get some hair growth going when I have protective styles. But now I am officially done with my treating, my twisting, my trimming. This is just a perfect protective style for when you just want to leave your hair alone for a little bit, and quarantine is the perfect time to do so. This style is super versatile. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know what you think about this video. Leave some comments below. Don't forget to like. If you aren't already subscribed, do that now. And just show some love. Bye, guys.